Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to have a Linux terminal on Windows. It can run graphical applications like Firefox in my example. But before continuing with the video, I invite you to subscribe and leave a like to support us. It matters a lot to us. Having said that, enjoy your viewing. First, we need to search on the search bar for Turn Windows Features On or Off. Scroll down until you find Windows Subsystem for Linux and click on the checkmark to activate it. And then press OK and wait for it to load. Now go to the Windows terminal. Type the command WSL.exe install Ubuntu, which will install a Linux distribution called Ubuntu. But as you can see, I have already installed it. Since you haven't already installed it, it will take a while. And it will ask you to create a Unix account. In my case, I put the same as the Windows one. Now let's see how Windows files are connected to Linux files. First, we go to File Explorer and click on Linux at the bottom, and finally in the Ubuntu folder. Look for a folder that says Home, click on your user inside, and here you can see your terminal home files. Let's try to create a random folder. In my case, I will call it Hello. Let's go back to the terminal and write the command ls. As you can see, the folder has appeared in the Windows File Explorer. We can also enter in it with the cd hello command. Now let's try to create a file inside it. With this command, we will create the test.txt file. We will edit it with this simple editor. Let's try to write something. Save the changes and close the editor. Go back to the Windows File Explorer, and by entering the Hello folder, we can see that the test.txt file has been created. And that inside we find what we wrote. Let's also try to modify it inside this. As before, save the changes and go back to the terminal. We will see that the letters have appeared here too. Let's clean the terminal with a clear command, and let's see how to access files on the Windows system from Linux. We write the command cd until we get to the position right on the screen. Now write the command cdmnt to get inside it. We look at the folders inside and go inside the folder called C. And then in our Windows user until we get to our desktop. Using the ls command, they will be shown to you the files on the desktop, which will correspond to these. Now let's also try to create a file inside using the previous command. Let's write something in it. Save the changes, and as you can see, the file will appear on the desktop. Now we exit Ubuntu with the exit command. As you can see above, there is the option to go to Ubuntu, and pressing it automatically opens the Linux terminal. I hope this tutorial has been useful to you. Let me know in the comments if you have any doubts or questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want. See you in the next video.